Printer enlightened. At 9:02, our printer said it's going paperless. He arrived. He's fixed this thing a million times. It also reminded us we forgot the paper. Finance needed 200 copies. The printer printed one and told us to relax. We found a new setting. It kept turning itself back on. Marketing tried a flash drive. The printer said, nope. Legal needed 30 copies. The printer suggested a book club, so we did the secret reset, press, hold, pray. We pulled it off. Boom! Everything printed. Then HR emailed, please print less. Right.
Even the coffee wanted two-factor. We approved it. Coffee poured.
Lesson learned.
Want more office chaos and fixes? Follow for more.